Hi buddies, welcome to one more video of GameHag, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to get so gems watching ads. Okay, you will need the app for Android or iOS, so download the app using this page. This page will be on video description, so click on the link to be redirected to here where you can download the app for Android or iOS. Okay, if you don't register it on GameHag yet, click here to register. Okay, let's click on here. In my case, I'm using the Android. Click on download link. I already have this app installed on my cell phone. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, the feature that you have to use here is the app zone. Okay, this is the home page of the app. Search for the app zone. Okay, here it is, the app zone. Click on it. Okay, watch, install, get so gems. Watch ads to find interesting applications for you. For those apps you try, you will get so gems. Okay, let's click on it. Okay, remember to get so gems in app zone you need to: number 1, watch a video or play a mini game. 2, install a game. 3, have fun. Okay, in this case I will watch ads to get so gems. Okay, let's check how many gems we have. Okay, we have 2,741 gems. Let's check if this action will increase my number of gems. Okay, this is the ad. Let's pause a video. Okay, ad watched. Now let's close the ad. Okay, scroll to see more. Okay, let's close the ad now. Okay, congratulations. Let's check if the number of gems is increased. Okay, let's do that again. Okay, one more ad watched. Let's close. Okay, congratulations, you got a so gem. Okay, let's check. 43. Okay, let's run another ad. Okay, let's close again. Let's check again. Congratulations, you got a so gem. 44. Okay, you can do this many times a day and get several so gems. That's it, buddies. I hope this video helps you. Thumbs up if you liked, and till the next one.